Greetings, massive. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. Mr. Vegas just finished a video stating how he feels about Lady Saw's return to the dancehall. He opened up to the people. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to waste any time talking. Just like, subscribe, share, follow, give a good comment. Remember, this is Talking News, and Mr. Vegas, just give us some news right now.
Ladies are powerful, and it don't make sense she even try dally and skip round. A ladies are will love people. Minister Marian will love you. We want to come to church, come get like a reverence and like a run up and down. We can't come to church with that, but we love ladies are. Bad, we love ladies are. Ladies are with done. We love ladies are. Everybody boy, I love ladies are. Love you. See? I'm going to show you how you're great. Even though the means are how this thing come forward and all of them things, but sometimes because you're so great, the universe open up and things just reveal. You see? So this it must have to come to pass, people. Before we see back ladies are. Ladies are we are seeing no people. No, stop fooling yourselves, people. This is ladies are we seeing. The great ladies are. This is who we seeing. The swag, everything, the swag. Turn up your swag. Turn up your swag, mama. Turn up your swag, mama. Turn up your swag. Turn up your swag, mama. That we see, mama. That's why the people them basically tuning in right now. That's why the people them. Because you have people, mama, we have fans all over the world. We can relate to the things that we marry and all do. We in that demographic can relate to it. But you have fans worldwide. When them say ladies are, them catch a fire. Them say, yo, see ladies are there. Ladies are that. We seeing ladies are now. Nobody hide from it, mama. No hide from it. You see what make you happy with inside. You say ladies are make you happy. Be ladies are, mama. If Marianne make you happy, be Marianne. But at the same time, don't come try now like you know want trick with us something here, because we know when we see ladies are, we know ladies are, we know her, we love her, we know when she come out. So we can always return like the prodigal son, because dancehall is what we know. So anytime we come back to dancehall, we are the prodigal son and the prodigal daughters, because of dancehall make we. So we can always return to this because yes, so the people them know. Yes, so we are the prodigal sons and daughters. We come back to dancehall. So even if you cuss around you, because religion do them things to make you cuss all your family. So even if you cuss around you can always come back because you can be the prodigal daughter and come back around you. And come do your music because we love you. And we know say you're the cornerstone. You can't destroy one of the columns them in a dancehall. It's going to fall down, mama. Yeah, man, come boy, come sing a nice, good music, then, man. I'm going to show you you're great. You see that little movement where you start? Some people have to go DJ now. Yeah, if them let you through the gate right now, some people have to go DJ. I mean, hope so them let you through the gate. I hope so them let you back in that something. Because you're a bad artist. You're one of the baddest artists who ever come, boy. Your dancehall history can't write without you. So all of them time when you hear me attack and all of them things, mama. I don't do it because I have something against you, I hate you and none of that, mama. No hate, no hatred in my heart for you. I love in my heart for you, man. I want to set that straight. Because some people might think I have something against you. I have nothing against you. I love music and love you. You understand what I say? So when I see you come do this now, I see how the people might get mad. I know say you have to change dancehall, so while them song like this now when me play, it have to have a space. Yeah, because you have the real fire there. He's a trendsetter. You understand? I use a trend boy. Yeah, man. Nothing wrong with put on your heels and sing nice sexy songs. No God nah kill nobody for that, man. Nothing wrong with I could have a song you last study round here. Nothing wrong with them thing that our part with that's how we talk. Some girl really need to go do them here. Some of them need to go do them here and turn out them swag. When they in a church I go and come down, go do your here. Nothing wrong with them song there. It's raining, my body's calling, and your food that right now you can't fool the stadium. Come back for your food, mama. And you're blessing that. Blessing and brata. Don't make nobody trick you, man. You see? Right now you can't fool the stadium. Yeah. Then Buju Banton come from prison and come fool the stadium. I saw the people them love Buju. So you know say people them love you so too. Nobody else. How much people can do that boy? Vibes Cartel. Ladies are Buju Banton. Right now, currently, a very few people Can come boy right now where people not see for a long time and come draw the crowd. Ladies can full the stadium. Mariana Hall cannot full the stadium. Ladies can go full the stadium down in Guyana. Mariana Hall cannot full the stadium. God in our way, people. God within us. God is within us, people. God know why we broke boy. God know why we hungry boy. You understand me? I say God why we make money and can feed people and give people things to. And look out for other people and inspire people to be great. Black people great, but them know say we greatness comes through talent, like running, athletics, look at football, them something there. Music. And the only reason why black people survive the years of atrocities, the years of slavery. The only reason why we survive, them take out of slavery, them not giving no horse, them not giving no mule, them not giving no money, them not giving no land, them not giving nothing at all. All the little talent what we have, people, it make we survive. So of course them are gonna put a doctrine for when them see say your outfit reach a certain status in a life, they make you start think say you're doing something wrong. They make you start think say your talent is ungodly, your talent is a curse, you're doing something wrong in the eyes of God, and all of them things. God no make mistake, people. God no make mistake. So if God it set you up and make sure say you're the cornerstone, you're one of the column in a dancer, you can't tear down the column. Because God wouldn't make it into a column if He never wanted to be a column. Understand that? The God within you, people. No God no outside of you are watching and see if you're going to sing that song there tonight. And people are watching which song you're going to sing tonight. If you're going to criticize you. But the money where you collect from the song where you're going to sing, right now if you full the stadium, right now if you draw the biggest crowd right now as ladies are the same people who are criticize you, them glad to take something out of your hand. Stretch your hand towards the same people who are criticizing them, take it. Trust me. Just believe that, mom. That's the message I want you understand. That is what I've been fighting for years. For you not to curse ladies are. Ladies are inspire what we boy. Man and woman, not just woman. You're one of the first artists come boy here. Them used to put Lady G them in a female segment. And Sister Charmaine them. And Lady Ann them used to in the female segment of the stage show them, and you come stand up in the middle and close show boy. Yeah, the young dancehall, female dancehall DJ with close a major festival in Jamaica. Understand that is historical. You can't erase that history there. That is historical. Don't make nobody take away your glory, mama. Can me see your struggle? And the Spirit just want me to talk to you. Because the God within me, why you know so you're great. Now look a fly batty boy can't talk to you. Distraction them there. What distraction them woman? Not to address them. Them a distraction. Them name no. Your nice name nothing in them mouth. Dogs can't go where eagles fly. Always remember that. Dogs cannot go where eagles fly. You're eagle. You're eagle. Understand that? You are an eagle. Always remember that. Not even, trust me. Some of the greatest dancehall icons and boy, no do what you do. Here? Don't do what you do, and you know to. That's why it's a trouble you. Feel it in my spirit. It's a trouble you. But nothing wrong. Return like the prodigal son. That's what I say. You don't have to come sing about things where you don't want to sing about. But dancehall at the place. At the space for you, at your space, at your world. You are dancehall. Always remember that. The history can't write it out you. You are dancehall. Right now if you want to do a song with Shensia, she ready. Right now if you want to do a song with Jada Kingdom, them ready. Them little girls they look up to you and love you. It's not everything now to be about praise Jesus and praise the God in you man, you praise him every day. When you wake up, you praise him. You praise him right through. You praise him all when you sing on stage. Because he's within you. Understand me I say? Learn that, mama. Love you. For people who look, we say we against each other. When the time expired, man. When the time expired. One of the seeds of division when I try sow and I try enhance. When the time expired. Because all we are going to this minute to fight for. We should recognize that she's great. We should recognize that she's Lady Sir. That's why when the man called Lady Sir name, she have to come out and come defend Lady Sir because she knows that Lady Sir great. She know that. I mean, the hungry man pay tribute to Lady Sir, boy. No selector never do it. No radio man never do it. I say, no, I have to pay a tribute and respect to Lady Sir. I'm going to take it for a clown thing. But when she hear the people them call Lady Sir name, she have to come defend Lady Sir because she knows that Lady Sir great. Now Lady Sir now mix up in that iniquity. Let's go.
So there it is, people. Mr. Vegas just spoke his mind regarding Lady Saw returning to the dance hall. And like the man said, you know, it's nothing but love he have for her. So I understand where he's coming from. Like I said, you know, he said what he said the other day, but I'm glad he came out and made this video because it looked like maybe people could have misinterpreted what he was saying as if, you know, he's hating on Lady Saw or something like that. But the man spoke his mind, and it's good to see unity. You know what I'm saying? Unity. Two of them are big artists. Both of them are my artists. I love them both. So, you know, that's all I have to say. And I'm glad he spoke his mind. Mr. Vegas, big up yourself. Lady Saw, big up yourself. Well, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. And you know, if there's any way this thing can be built better or made better, please, we're open to any and all suggestions, all right? So, I'm also Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. So I say more love, more life, more music. Dread out for now. Talking News.